Exercise 15.1, question 9. Here is mentioned, write a title and a key for this pictogram. Look, first we have to see the pictogram. Here is a different type of insects. So scenario is we have to find out a perfect title. We can say insects in the garden. Okay, and next a key for this pictogram. So regarding P, in this key we can write one picture equals to one insects. Okay, so number 9 done. Number 10, write a title for this bar chart. Use the data from question 9 to complete the bar chart. So this is a bar chart, but we have to find out what can I write against 9. Here is the insects in the garden, and bar chart we can write in title bar chart. We can write like bar chart of insects in the garden. Okay, now we have to fill up this one. So here is six types of insects, and first we write this one. First one, it's a bee. It's a bee. How many? 3. Next one, it's a butterfly. Next one, it's a ladybug. So we can say this one ladybug. Okay, so what about the next one? Next one, it's a snail or slack. We can say this one is a slack. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's a spider. 5, it's a spider. And finally, this one is orb. So how many? Butterfly, here is a 10 and 8 between, it's a 7. This one is a 4. Ladybug slag is only 1. Spider is how many? Spider, it's a, look, here is a not 7. The butterfly is 9, right? It's a 9 because it's a here. It's a 9. It's a 7, and this one is a 2. Now we can write. So this breakdown is, we can write again B 3, butterfly 9, ladybug 4, slack 1, spider 7, and worm 2. So what will be the 2 question? We have to write the question like number 1. We can say which insects was found the most. So what will be the answer? Answer will be butterfly, right? Butterfly. 9 were found. What about second one? Second question. Second question is that we can say how many spiders? How many spiders were found altogether. Found altogether. So what will be the answer? Spider is 7. 7 spiders. So this is our question answer. So finally, we have finished 15.1 of Cambridge Primary Mathematics Workbook 3. Next video, we will start same book 15.2, which is Venn and Carroll diagrams. It's a very important topics. Next video will come very soon. Till then, take care, keep practice, and please, my request, subscribe my channel, which is Sad Educare. Okay, so next video will very come. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.